Whatever you do, don't lead your marketing strategy with inbound marketing. Let's cut to the chase. Inbound marketing is BS. It's completely wrong-headed, and it's been pervaded by the likes of HubSpot and marketeers for the last 5 years. And the bottom line is, it just doesn't work. And if you're looking at your strategy as inbound marketing to deliver leads, then you contact the leads, then you close the business, you're going to be working for a really long, hard time and spending a hell of a lot of money and heartache. It's true. Actually, if you start with inbound, you're starting at the back end. You're starting at the wrong end of the process. Here's why. If you sell business to business, the most important thing about selling is getting that FaceTime. There's no inbound marketing tool, if you start with that first, that's going to get you to that meeting. Trust me, I know. I've been there. Here's where you start. You start with the FaceTime. Ah, what a concept! Start with the FaceTime. So when I look at a budget, when I look at a company selling B2B, when my team starts putting together a marketing plan for our clients that sell B2B, you know where we start? We start at FaceTime. We start at conferences. And we love the smaller conferences where there may be 300 or 400 people. And you can sponsor and be the big guy on campus and sponsor maybe the breakfast or the breakout and have a nice little table there. Remember to stand in front of the table. But there, while you're at that conference, standing in front of the table, you can connect with people. You can talk to people. You can begin to build the relationships. Oh my God, you've got FaceTime. That's what you want. And then you use all of the social media tools. The email, because email is social media. You use email, you use Instagram or LinkedIn, whatever your chosen social media is for your market, to tether your relationship with that individual that you had FaceTime with at the conference. And then you'll get the deal, you'll get the meeting that will help you close the deal. Okay? Don't rely on inbound marketing because, folks, it just doesn't work. Start with FaceTime. So when you consider your marketing budget, look at all the possible conferences, all the potential. Where can you get in front of an individual for real, live conversation? Start there. And you will be incredibly successful at bringing in new business to your company. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all the videos. We're going to have tons of them here on the channel. Please subscribe. Please hit the little bell. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. I'm everywhere. And until next time, have a great business day.